Hello, friends. Welcome to Class 27. Today, our topic is the Scatter Brush Tool. To begin, click on the Brush tool in the toolbar. The Brush panel can be accessed from the Window menu. At the bottom left of the panel, you will find the Brush Library. Click on it to explore various types of brushes. From here, select the Borders category. A pop-up will appear, displaying a wide range of border designs. Choose the design you prefer, and it will be applied to your circle. Now, let's explore the second setting of the scatter brush. First, create a path and select it. Then go to the Brush Library and choose Decorative Scatter. A pop-up will appear where you can select any design. As you can see, the design is now applied to the path. If we want to make changes to this design, go to the Brush panel. At the bottom of the panel, select Selected Object. A pop-up will open, allowing us to customize the brush settings for our object. For example, if the Fixed option is selected, we can change it to Random. There are 4 main options to adjust: size, spacing, scatter, and rotation. Each of these can be modified according to our preference.